ability to read the English and understand it. So it's very feasible for them to hear the audio and simultaneously time they can read or as well the content to understand actually the comprehensions, the pronunciations, and these kind of things. So it's a very much helpful for the regular students, the disability students, and accessibility for all kind of the students to make the content more effective and give them a very valued outcomes. So let's move to know that. Okay, that or talk about the students. So how LA can help the students to giving the opportunity to access the content equally. Now the question is, LA quick start for the instructor. How LA help the instructors to create a content accessible, like they improve the usability and accessibility of your content by using the LA. What you have to do, you can generate the alternative format for the students to download, provide accessibility score, give instructor feedback on how to improve your accessibility score. Now the point is accessibility score. Let's have to know that accessibility score indicator. What does it mean and how it's work for the instructor? Okay, accessibility score indicators are basically giving you a opportunity to know that about your content. For example, as an educator, you just upload your content and there is a LA option is there and it will give you a one indicator under your content file that the LA measures the accessibility of each file attached to your course and show you to at glance how it scores. Score range from low to perfect. The higher the score, the fewer the issue. What does this mean? If the indicator is low, file is not accessible and need immediate attention. If it's medium, it's mean that file is somewhat accessible and could use improvement. And if high, the file is accessible but could not, but could be improved. And if it's perfect, totally green, it's been 100%, file is accessible, and no improvement is needed. So these are the indicator, which is 0 to 36%, it's been low, 34 to 66%, it's been medium, and 67 to 99% is high, and perfect is 100%. So let's have a look how the instructor feedback works and how it gives you an indicator of your content. Okay, you can see that here you upload one of the assignment or assessment, any kind of assessment, you can upload. So immediately when you open that file, you will get this kind of the meter on the right side. What is that? This is basically accessibility meter, which will help you from needs help almost there or too perfect to giving you an opportunity to analyze your assessment and telling you all the kind of errors with what you have. You can click on the all issues and check where in the document have the issues and also check the indicator. It's low, high, medium, or perfect. Course accessibility report. When you upload any kind of the course, it will give you an opportunity to rate or score your course. For example, you upload one of the course, here's all the content of the course, the Word documents, the PDF documents, the images, presentation, HTML files, pages, the other items. So it's giving you an opportunity to give you a score like content with the easiest issues to fix 38. So and the fixed low scoring content is 39. So you have to start and you can fix your all of your documents and all the issues are remaining issues are here available and you can check on which file which what you have the issue and the total score is here. That is a medium 47% of your course. You can check your course while you upload all the content related to your course one by one file as well and a complete course report as well. So now let's have a look the overview implementation of the LA for instructor, how you will be able to upload your content and how you will be check the accessibility, the LA feature, and the ranking score as well.
Blackboard Ally works seamlessly with your learning management system to gauge the accessibility of your content. Let's take a look. When you upload files to your LMS, Ally automatically creates alternative versions. Blackboard Ally works seamlessly with your learning management system to gauge the accessibility of your content. Let's take a look. When you upload files to your
So you can see here's the environment where you can upload any kind of content, your files, assessments. So you can see that here is one of the indicator. It's green, it's light green, it's green again, it's medium, it's low. So one by one file is giving you opportunity to check the accessibility report and you can fix the issue accordingly. So you can see there is a different kind of files like PDF files, the docs file, the PPT file, the PNG, and some kind of the again the doc file. So some kind of again the Word document. So you can see the any kind of the document you uploaded there, the content which is related to your course. The accessibility checker will help you to rank or score that content and then help you even to adjust that issue to mark that in within the document where you have the issue.
LMS, Ally automatically creates alternative versions, allowing students to choose the type of file that best suits their needs.
Yeah, one more thing that the accessibility checker meter is also available. Plus, it's automatically giving you opportunity by the bottom of the LA that creating alternative um, formats. For example, if there is a doc file, so it's giving accordingly the document which is the alternate format of the PDF, HTML, EPUB, audio, and the translated version. So these all are available automatically by the option of LA, which is built in, connected with the Blackboard Learn Ultra, so you can download any other alternate format.
In addition to creating alternative versions of your files, Ally provides guidance and tips for lasting improvements to your content accessibility. You will see an accessibility score for each file you upload. Select the accessibility score indicator to view information on how to improve file accessibility.
So here you can see that this is the one of the file which is uploaded in a PDF form, or maybe it's in a PPT form, and here complete checking of that content. Now that is a 52%, meaning that the score is medium and can be improved. So this presentation contains the images that are missing a description. What this means, this will also giving you opportunity to understand that what does mean of issues you have and how to add description, even giving you a navigation that how you will be able to add it complete giving you alignment that what is issue, what does it mean, and how you will be able to add it. What
It's 21
else
hours.
you need to fix these kind of the issues. And also, if you want to check all the issues, this is a very user-friendly platform, giving you opportunity to understand the things easily, not even for the students, for the instructor as well. The only thing we need to be focused on the content and the feature of that platform which we have, and we are a user of it and we can use it very easily. So you can check all the issues, list of the issues you can check, and one by one you can fix.
The instructor feedback panel provides everything you need to understand and fix the accessibility issues in your file. You can view the overall score for the file, see a list of all issues, follow step-by-step instructions on how to fix the issue, and upload an updated file to replace the existing one. And finally, if allowed by your system administrator, you can access your course accessibility report so you can get the big picture, as well as specific details about the accessibility of your digital course content. The Overview tab shows the accessibility score for the course content grouped by content type, and a list of all the issues identified in the course. The Content tab shows you content with accessibility issues.
So don't you think it's amazing that you are just creating a content, and then you have accessibility checker. Not even accessibility is specifically for the disabled students. Even it's giving you opportunity to improve for the regular student. For example, the coloring issue, the images issues, the other issues within the document. It's helped you very easily to cater all these problems. Okay, now let's talk about the other resources and the other platforms which we have and we can use for the accessibility tools and resources. I want to just giving you a big picture, a big just a different variety in front of you. Now it's up to you to go one-on-one and check, and you can just explore the things. The purpose of our session is giving you opportunity of awareness about the technology, about the tools, about the e-learning, and the content which can help you to improve your courses, even though offline or online. So now I'm going to just list up some of the resources that is related to the accessibility tools and techniques. So the first one is a web AIM that is offer extensive resource and guideline for the accessibility web design. This is for the web design. And the second one is a WAVE, an accessibility evaluation tool that identifies potential issues in the web content, and the ELC, that is a tool of automated accessibility testing that help educators find and fix accessibility issues in their material. For the captioning and transcription tools, we can use the RIV that provides the professional captioning and transcription service for videos. That is Otter.ai, that is offer real-time transcriptions and captioning for meetings and the video content. The YouTube automatic captioning, that is the good one, and that is automatically generated caption for uploaded videos, but you have to be once revise all the content which is written by the YouTube automatic captioning. The document accessibility checker, if we talk about, that is a Microsoft Word accessibility checker, which is a more casually using and a built-in tool that check the accessibility issues in the Word document very easily. Also, the Adobe Acrobat Pro allows user to create a tagged PDF and check for the accessibility compliance. PDF accessibility checker, that one is a free tool for evaluating PDF document for accessibility. Web accessibility evaluation tool, I already explained that that is a web accessibility evaluation tool. XZ, and one more is that is a Lighthouse, an open source tool for improving the quality of web pages, including accessibility edits. And the fourth one is learning management system. As we already check about the Blackboard, same like in the Moodle and Canvas as Moodle is an open source LMS that offers various accessibility features, and the Canvas also providing the built-in tools to create accessible content and access the students' learning. Let's talk about the visual content creation tools. The Canva, which is a very famous, that allow user to create accessible infographics and presentation with the alt text feature. And if we talk about Adobe Spark, that is a user-friendly tool for creating a graphic and the web pages with accessibility considerations. And the sixth one is screen reader and assistive technology testing. That is non-visual desktop access, NVDA. That's a free screen reader for Windows that help test to the accessibility of content. The second one is JAWS, that is job access with speech, that are widely used screen readers that can be used for accessibility testing as well. So let's conclude today's session that we talk about some of the guidelines, that is a WCAG 2.1 guidelines for the web accessibilities. We learn about the meaning and the actual use of the inclusivity and accessibility and how it's important for us as educator, as an instructional designer, or any organization owner Then we saw a different kind of the tutorial of the Blackboard LA. Also, we have a guide to assist technology and compatibility testing, different resources platform. We have a one huge resource that is a learning management system, Blackboard Ultra. We saw the different kind of the features which can help you, like LA and different alternative formats. So we can use the content editor, accessibility checkers, UDL tools and resources for flexible learning environment, and also professional organization like CASTA and EEM for support in inclusive education as well. So this is all about the inclusivity and accessibility, which is a very important and mandatory part of our education system right now. Because as an educator of offline or even for the online, it's a more responsibility for an educator that to perform the content which is international standards meets, that is not only for one kind of the students. We are here to working for the all kind of the students and make it accessible for most of the students. So to fulfill their needs, to get the outcome, this is the basically purpose of these all kind of the sessions. So I hope I explained well. If you want me to repeat anything, you have any question, want to discuss anything with me, you can share. Now it's your turn. Thank you so much for being there to attend the session. Thank you so much. Your appreciation means a lot for us.